Alright, online shoppers, listen up. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on Katie and Sophie Charleston, also seen as Sarah and Kate Charleston, and letting you in on what's really going on behind those glossy online ads. Let's get straight to it. Based on piles of customer complaints and watchdog reviews in 2026, this boutique is flagged as a scam operation. They market themselves as a chic, southern boutique from South Carolina, but here's the catch. The clothes actually ship straight from China. Now what's wrong with that? Maybe nothing, if the stuff was good, but that's not what buyers are saying. People describe receiving cheaply made clothes, awful fabric, and stitching that's basically falling apart. And forget about those beautiful website photos. What you get looks nothing like them. Let's talk returns. They claim a 30-day money-back guarantee, but here's the trick. If you actually want a refund, you'll be told to pay sky-high shipping costs, sometimes over $100, just to send your order back to China. For most, that's more than what you paid in the first place. Worse, if you try to warn others by leaving a negative comment on their social media ads, it'll probably get deleted. They're actively hiding bad reviews, making it tough for new shoppers to see the real story. And get this, some buyers never even receive their orders at all. Earlier this year, they ran a closing sale with massive discounts, another classic scam move to create FOMO and clear out leftover inventory before vanishing. If you've already ordered and they're giving you the runaround, don't waste time. Contact your bank or credit card company and ask for a chargeback under goods not as described or non-delivery. Stay sharp out there and always double-check before you click buy.